This is probably not the way that you would want your truck to look, but after a recent collision that this vehicle was in, it took a lot of man hours and work that took mechanics to get it from the point it was after the recent collision it was in to this point. We're going to take you through a behind the scenes look as mechanics work on this vehicle to get it back safe and ready to get on the road. If you thought the other side looked bad, take a look at this side. All doors, everything stripped off. This truck was hit on the side where it dented the frame. Mechanics had to take off the damaged part and replace it. Now that required a lot of work to be done on the inside because they had to replace and take down everything across the interior of the vehicle in order to get this done. All right, we're going to move into the next phase with the Silverado. We're going to be painting the side. On top of that, they're going to be painting these doors. Let's take a look and see the progress. Now he's applied the clear coat. He's going to put another layer on just to give it that extra bright sheen look. Once we're done with that, this truck's going to dry here in a paint booth, and then it's going to head off to where they're going to do the rest of the work of the truck, attaching the doors, getting all the electronics and everything back into place. Alright, so as you can tell, the truck's coming along. They just got to put in the headliner, make sure the sunroof is fitting correctly and it's in place so that way there's no leaks if it's raining or anything. On top of that though, everything is going along smoothly. They got the doors in on the side, they've been painted like you saw earlier. The windows have been put in. Right now they're putting in the side panels on the door, and then we're going to put in the back seat and then some of the rest of the electronics, and then this truck's going to head back off to the other side of the shop where the front end's going to be put in place.